How to fix ThinkPhone 25 mobile hotspot not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option network and internet. Now click on it and click on hotspot and tethering. Now here you can turn on or off your hotspot. After turning on or off your hotspot, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And click on restart. After you start your device, then check your internet connection works properly or not. And after checking your internet connection, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system. And then click on reset options. Now click on reset app preferences. After reset the app preferences, then go back and click on system updates. And here you can check your system updates. After checking your system updates, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.